Let's make a blueberry custard pie that's not only a family favorite, but it has become one of your favorite after sharing it on socials a couple of weeks ago, and it is sensational. So it's a favorite for a reason. It kind of combines a crumbled pie with a custard pie with fresh blueberries. It's just insane. Let's start off by making the actual custard, and all that takes are eggs, sugar, you need some sour cream, all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla. I use vanilla powder, but you could just use vanilla extract, and whisk that together until it's combined, it's nice and creamy, and set it aside. Then let's make our crumble topping, which just takes all-purpose flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, some cold butter, cut that all into the dry ingredients until it resembles like a coarse, wet sand, and set that aside as well. I'm using my homemade pie crust, but you can go ahead and just use any pie crust you like. Just make sure it's a 9-inch deep pie crust. I will leave the recipe and video of this particular pie crust in the description down below if you want to make your own. Fit that into a deep dish pie plate, and then you're going to go ahead and add your fresh blueberries. Top it with that glorious custard, giving those blueberries like a nice little mix into that custard to make sure they're well submerged, and then go ahead and sprinkle over that crumb topping. Now at this point, your oven should already be preheated at 350, and you're going to go ahead and pop this baby into your oven for a good hour to an hour and 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it, but you really want to cook it low and slow so that the pie crust gets really beautiful golden, the topping gets really delicious and crispy, and those berries get really burst and bubbly. Let it cool completely before serving with a scoop of your favorite vanilla ice cream, and you're done. Recipe is in the caption for you. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.